Comics are one of the most popular forms of entertainment and learning platforms for children, and they are still widely enjoyed by adults. You can become famous and earn passive income by creating comics, but creating a comic book is by no means an easy task. It's a creative endeavor that requires a lot of time and effort. However, artificial intelligence has made everything easier. You can create a comic strip with just a single prompt, and in today's video, I will explain the step-by-step process. Let's explore how to use this new Comic AI feature. To use this new feature of Comic AI, you need to have a Discord account, and currently, it only allows invited users. Don't worry, I will provide an invitation link in the description box after you go to the invitation page. Simply click on the link to accept. You may need to solve a CAPTCHA, then select your language and choose your role. I'm selecting Create Comics and Give Gifts. Comic AI has organized a gift program for users. Here is the Comic AI Discord server. You can find examples and frequently asked questions from Comic AI on the left side of the server. You will see some channels. You need to find a channel named Comic A Bot. If you can't find the Comic AI Bot channel here, go back to the top and select Channels and Roles, then choose the Browse Channels tab. Now find the Comic AI Bot and activate it. The Comic AI Bot will now be available in the channel list. Select the Comic AI Bot. Now we can create a comic strip with just a single prompt. You can read the instructions from the pinned message here. You need to enter /Comic AI before your prompt. All right, let's begin our creative comic making journey. Go to the message box and type /Comic AI, and then enter your prompt. Make sure your prompt is descriptive and clear about the comic's theme. After entering the prompt, press the Create button. Our part is done, and now artificial intelligence will do its job. Typically, creating comic strips takes about 60 seconds. You can speed up this process, and here are our results. Comic AI has generated an impressive 4-panel comic strip. Now you can share these comics created by artificial intelligence with your friends for some fun. At this time, with the Comic AI Bot, you can only create a 4-panel comic strip. However, if you want to create longer strips, you can divide the strip into individual frames and create strips with the Comic AI Bot, then edit them together to make a longer strip, or you can use the Comic AI website to create a longer comic strip. In Comic AI, you can create comics in 2 different modes. The first mode is Create Derivatives, and the second mode is Create Original. In the Create Derivatives mode, you can generate engaging comics with pre-built characters provided by Comic AI. However, we will create our own characters, so I will select Create Original. In the Create Original mode, you have 2 options, Story Mode and Free Creative Mode. We will try both models. First, let's choose Story Mode. Now we need a story. I'm not a writer or a comic artist, so to create a story, I will use ChatGPT. After accessing ChatGPT, I will input the prompt, Create a comic strip about 2 friends on an adventure. ChatGPT has generated a comic story with panel suggestions. Please copy the comic strip artwork and paste it into the Artificial Intelligence for Comics. Now, copy the title and paste it into the comic title box. Then, write your name in the Creator box. Once you have set everything up, press the Next button. In this step, we need to create our characters. The Artificial Intelligence for Comics has analyzed our story and generated 2 characters for us. You can customize the characters by changing the suggestions. After making changes, press the Recreate button. You can see that the hair color of our characters has changed. You can also create a new character. To create a new character, click on Add Character at the top, then name your new character and enter your suggestions. Okay, our new character has been created. You can also customize the characters in Advanced mode. Once you've finished designing the characters, click the Next button. In this step, we will create comic panels. The Artificial Intelligence for Comics has generated some panels by analyzing our story. We just need to customize and create images. You can see that all 3 characters have been added to the Characters panel, followed by the Suggestions and Reference Actions panels. There are some sample reference actions available here, or you can upload your own actions. Okay, click the Create button to generate comic panels. Choose a character and click Create. Try your own custom reference action. I'm uploading it now. Wow, it replicates the action perfectly. After completing the creation of all story cells, please click the Next button to proceed to the next step. In this step, we will finalize our comic book. Here, you can see all of our story cells have been added. Next is the layout template. Please choose a layout template that suits your scene requirements. You can also try without any layout template. Place the story cells inside the boxes and then adjust their sizes. All right, after adjusting the story cells, we need to add dialogues. Insert speech bubbles in each scene and then add dialogue within each cell. Once everything is set up, click the Next button, and you have completed your first comic book.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.